welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's your girl Beaver. Okay, yes, that's how I mentioned it last week, that how we're doing a Nicki Minaj Inspired makeup look today. And you know, it's a diva look. You know, she's wearing a red hair. Look at the picture up there, and you can see that she's actually wearing a red hair, red dress, you know, a high neck dress, and a red lipstick, you know, that very high winged liner, you know, subtle eyeshadow, neutral tones of eyeshadow, and also, you know, bow brows. So that's why I made my brows a little bit bigger this time around. And you know, contour, highlights, a bit, you know, the blushes on the eye side, and you can see that it's looking, you know, fancy, glamorous, you know, classic. I love the look, so I'll be recreating it today. So please, if you know you want to keep, you know, to see how I created this look, then keep watching. And please don't forget to subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button. Thank you, and like my video. Alright, now let's get right into it. I'll be using the classic eyeshadow primer for the entire eyelid. Just the tip of my finger. Going with this color on the eyelid. This color looks like a pink. This is gonna go on the eyelid here. Okay. On my brow bone, you know, just to lift my eyes and, you know, make my brows come out sharper. Be careful, just not by detail, just a little. No, blend as usual. Using a smudger brush to apply a deep brown on my crease. Yeah, a deep brown eyeshadow color. Okay, this color on my upper crease and this here and all other places. This subtle brown. Okay, blend it on the shimmer applied on the brow bone. I'll be using a gel liner to get that really high, sharp, winged liner. Okay, color black. I'm just going to be using my wipe to sharpen the tip of the brush so it comes out sharp. Now, the liner is raised up to the brows. Now this is really winged, okay, for the brows. So I'm just going to use my concealer, you know, just to make it a bit more sharper along the line. This NYX and primer in milk just at the middle of my waterline, you know, just to open my eyes and make it look more wide awake. Just here at the middle. So the difference makes my eyes look more open and a bit bigger. Okay. Apply my primer on my face. I already applied my moisturizer at the beginning of the tutorial. Maybelline Fit Me liquid foundation. This time my actual shade. This on my mouth. Concealer here. This as usual. My other eye to cover my dark circles. And I light my eye makeup. The smaller buffing brush. Maybelline All-in-One Smooth Powder. My Maybelline setting powder. Then my setting brush. So the inner corner now under the eyes. Yeah. So the outer corner. Palette, highlight and contour palette. Okay, we go with this shade. Starting from here, the edges of my hair, the blend contour. That's the best way to have a natural looking hairline after applying your makeup. In inner corner of the eyes too. Maybelline Monster Bronze to highlights. Okay, here to make my cupid bow more pronounced. And then here too, right here for the middle. You know, in the picture you can see that the red is a lot more visible than usual. gonna be having a bit of red, yeah, on the cheeks. I'm wiping up my setting powder. The dark brown on my waterline. This brown, yeah, with my angled liner. Applying the Vaseline lip balm, pink lip balm, and later, just to get at least moisturized. Then, I'm going to line with a deep brown. The look ain't complete without the red lipstick. I'm going to be using the classic pepper color, red lip color. So guys, I hope you love my look. You know, I don't have a red wig, so I had to make do with this. I hope you love it, and you can see that it looks just like that Nicki Minaj classic glamorous look on the picture. Okay, you can see the liner is green. There's the red lips, soft brows, gold, and you know, my eyeshadow, everything just intact. The contour, the blush, you know, everything is just looking intact in comparison to the picture. Now, I hope you enjoyed watching my tutorial today. Thank you for watching. Now, please look out for my next video on Tuesday. I was talking about what every aspiring makeup artist should know. You know, what you should know as a makeup artist. So, please look out for that. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, please like my video, and please watch, check out my channel and watch my other videos. Thank you for watching. Until we see you again next time, I remain your girl, La Viva. Okay, bye.